Here we have a triangle. Actually, we've got three triangles. We got one larger triangle, and then the line segment that goes through it makes two other triangles that happen to be right triangles. So these two guys are right triangles here. So let's label what we are given. AD is 6, so you just start at A and run to D, and that length is 6. Angle B is 54 degrees, so this angle over here by B is 54 degrees. Angle C, that's over here, is 36 degrees. And what we're wanting to find is BC. So if we start at B and run over here to C, we want to know that length. Well, if I look at the large triangle, I've got two angles inside of it, but it is not a right triangle, and I don't have a side. I just have altitude of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the two right triangles, and I'm going to find, if I look at this right triangle that's here on the left, I'm going to find this side X that will go over to here, and then I will look at the triangle that's over here on the right side and find this side Y, and I'll add the two together, and then I will have BC. So let's go ahead and do that. So looking at this triangle 36 degrees, I have the side opposite it, and I want to know the side adjacent. So I'm going to do the tangent of 36 degrees is going to be opposite, which is 6, over adjacent, which is x. Then solve that for x, multiply both sides by x, and then divide both sides by tangent 36, and I'll have x equals 6 over tangent 36 degrees. Okay, so now I'm ready to find y by first looking at this right side of the triangle, and 54 degrees, I have the opposite side 6, and I want to know the adjacent side y, so this is going to be another tangent. Tangent of 54 degrees is going to be opposite of 6 over adjacent, which is y, and then we're going to solve that for y. We're going to multiply y by both sides and cross cancel on this side, move it over here, and divide both sides by tangent of 54, and so that'll leave me 6 over tangent of 54 degrees. So now I'm going to grab my calculator, and side BC is going to be those two added together. I make sure I'm in degrees, and then I am going to find x, so I'm putting in 6 divided by tangent of 54, and then plus 6 divided by tangent of 36. I guess I did y plus x. Doesn't matter because they commute. And I'm going to, because it doesn't tell me how many places, I'm going to enter it to 4 decimal places. So if it tells you, you can round it shorter. Otherwise, it's not a bad habit to carry it out a little ways. So 12.6175.